everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on your Slack mobile application easily and quickly. Whether you want to switch to Spanish, French, or any other supported language, I've got you covered. First, open the Slack application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and in the pop-up, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll down and tap on Language under Language and Region. From the list of available language options, choose your desired language by tapping on it. Soon after you do that, in the pop-up at the bottom, confirm your change by tapping on Change, and this will immediately change your display language to something else of your preference. Repeat this step to return back to any other language setting, and once you do that, you have successfully learned how you can change the language for your Slack application using mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.